Yeah. I can do anything. Yeah. Hell no.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life and Beauty with Cece. It's your girl Cece, and today is a natural hair care video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use Chebe powder, which is derived from the beautiful women in Africa of Chad, and they've curated this protective barrier in Chebe powder that allows you to retain the length and moisture in your hair. So today I'm going to be showing you how I create a Chebe powder butter and Ayurvedic paste. So I'm showing you the ingredients that I've used for today. I've incorporated Brahmi powder and alma powder, which are herbs that allow you to retain moisture, and it's very healthy for the scalp. I'm also using avocado oil and olive oil for this mixture today, because I am going to be infusing the Chebe in this oil mixture. Now, if you watched my last DIY wig video, I did talk about how I was on a mission to grow 8 inches within the next 6 months. So I'm really curious to see if Chebe really helps me lock in the moisture that I need to get this growth journey started. I am going to be using the double boiled method to infuse Chebe into my natural oils, and I'm really excited. So let's get started on the video. Okay, so starting off, you're going to see me pouring in some olive oil and avocado oil. Now, I pretty much did 2 tablespoons of each essential oils just to curate a nice liquid base for the powders and the herbs that I'm going to be adding in. Now, after I've added in those oil base, I want to go ahead and get started in incorporating my Chebe. The smell of Chebe smells smoky. They definitely go ahead and toast the Chebe powder after they grind it, so that's why there's a smoky scent. I've put in 2 tablespoons. Most of the videos that I watched use 2 tablespoons of Chebe powder, so that's what I do here. And in the next few clips, you're going to see me incorporating Brahmi powder and alma powder. I just used 1 tablespoon of each. All of the herbs and oils that you see here in this video are all purchased from Amazon. I'm a Prime member, so I got all the herbs within those 2 business days. But Brahmi and alma powder is something that I've been using for a few months now, and it definitely helps lock in the oils and the necessary moisture needed for each hair shaft. I'm just experiencing some shedding, so I'm hoping that the Chebe powder creates that additional barrier so I don't experience as much shedding. Once that's all incorporated, I'm just going to go ahead and stir in the powder until it hits like a liquid form. You're going to see it in the next clips, and I'm just going to let this cool and cook. I've lowered the heat, and this will just cook for 30 minutes. You don't want to cook it any longer than 30 minutes because it will kill out the nutrients. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and strain our Chebe oil that's been infused and cooked for 30 minutes. Now you're going to see a lot of the Chebe paste at the bottom of that bowl. Don't throw that away. That nutrients is still there. We're going to save that for the paste. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how I've made a whipped butter alternative and also the paste. So you're just seeing me strain it out here now. All right, so in this frame, you'll see that we've strained the Chebe oil and it's good to go. So in this next frame, you're gonna see me incorporating shea butter into this oil. So that way we can have a whipping butter. So when I wanna do some protective styles, which I do have some styles coming up, so stay tuned for that, we'll be able to use it without it getting so messy with the paste. So I'm very excited about this. You'll see me just popping the shea butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. Once it liquefies, I'm pouring in that Chebe infused oil that we've strained, and we're just going to go ahead and let it sit in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out, and then you should be able to go ahead and whip it to the texture of your liking. So what you'll see me doing now is I'm going to go ahead and make the Chebe paste. This is going to be for my first application. I'm simply just using some aloe vera gel and some conditioner, and I'm incorporating it in that leftover Chebe infused oil from the cheesecloth that was left over. I'm just putting enough aloe vera gel and conditioner to my liking. You don't see it here, but I do go ahead and add on some more conditioner. You'll see it in the next video. I hope you guys do tune in for that, so that way you'll see how I actually apply the Chebe paste to my hair for my first application. I am going to be taking you guys along with this challenge. I want to see if this really does grow out my hair, so you'll see in the next clips of a sneak peek of part 2. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Part 2 is how I actually apply Chebe to my hair. I will be documenting my challenge. I do want to thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to mind your business, drink your water, and wash your hands, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye.